Good morning. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how to edit your About Me page and how to create a custom About Me page if you want to get a little bit more creative and have a little bit more control over what you're doing. First of all, with the About Me page, you do have to send that any updates for your bio or your social media links have to be sent to Maryland to update those for you. You can't update them because that'll update across all of Moxie for you. So we'll go to Moxie Present, Moxie Engage. It keeps those links and your main bio the same for all those. So I'll show you real quickly the little editing you can do, and then I'll show you the better option, which is to create your own custom About Me page. So I'm here on the admin page of the website right here. And over here to the left, you have About Me. So we're going to click on that. And that's going to load up your links. Once you've sent those links to Marilyn and she updates them, they will appear here, and they will appear on the sidebar on your home page on the left-hand side. And then you can update your image right here. You can update your name, title, if you wanted to change any of your office name here, your direct phone, your cell phone, and the email address that you'd like to use. And you can also, there's a link here to link your Zillow reviews directly into this if you'd like to do that. So that's essentially all you can do and all you can edit, and it'll have that exact same layout, so you can't make any changes with that. But what I did on my page, and I'll show you real quickly the end result here, I did a custom page, named it My Story, added my photo in, went ahead and put my bio in here so I can change this whenever I would like with my own editing. Have a Contact Me button, put a little image in of my signature, and then added in my testimonial tree, which you can pull. We're not going to do all that today, but you can pull that from your testimonial tree widget and copy and paste that in there. But so we're going to go back into the About Me. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And this is just a very quick demo of how to create your own custom page. You can go in more in depth, and you can add in more stuff, add in videos, all that type of stuff. So to do that, we're going to go over here to Site Pages, and we're going to go down to Add New. Then we're going to, it usually pre-fills for custom page. You're going to hit Submit. You can call this whatever you'd like. I like My Story. Since you all already have that, I'm just going to call this Test, so I'll know that to not change this. Click off of that, and you'll now see you have a new URL with my-story for yours. Then you're going to click on Builder, and it's okay to leave the site. And this is going to bring you to a completely blank page here. You could go through the templates and see if there is one that you like better, but I just want to show you how to quickly add and create something pretty simple here. So we're going to go over here. If this doesn't pull up for you, you're going to go over here to the plus sign, and we're in the modules section, and we're going to first do a heading. So we're going to drag that in here, and we're going to call the heading My Story. We're going to make this an H1 header style, so that's going to be considered your header, which makes it a little bit bigger. We're going to go over here to Style, and we're going to go to Font, and we're going to change the size of this. We're going to make it a little bit bigger. We're going to go over here to Align, and we're going to make it in the center, which populates right in the center. You can make any other changes you want. You can change the font family if you'd like to do that. I'm going to leave it as it is for right now. I'm going to go down here to save, and now you see we have a header. So now we want to bring your image in. We're going to go over here to Photo. Whoops, I'm sorry. You're going to go here, Photo, and drag that underneath it here. And we're going to go to General because we need to find that photo, and we're going to go to Select Photo. So this is going to pull up all the photos we already have in your library. If you don't have your photo in here, you'll want to go over here to the left to Upload Files and pull that in. The photo I'm going to use is already in here, so I'm going to click on this, select photo. And you'll see the photo is huge, and it is a square. If you'd like to make it a circle like the one I was showing before, we're going to go over here to Style. Actually, we're going to go to full size, and we're going to change this to medium, so it's going to make it much smaller. Style, we're going to go to Crop, and there's several different ones in here that you might want to try. But we're going to go ahead and go to Circle, and you can drag this around so we can see what we're working on here. So I like the way this looks right here, so I'm going to hit Save. Go back up here. We're going to bring in the bio. So you'll want to copy and paste that bio. So we're going to go to Text Editor, drag that underneath here. I'm going to go back into this other one that I have, copy this, come in here, we're going to go back to general, we can add that text in and paste in that bio. So you want to grab this from wherever you have your bio, whether that's in a Google Doc or a Word document, and just bring that in. So save that. So now you have your basic layout of what you need. So you have a headline, photo, you have your bio here. And the next most important thing you want to have is you want to have a button for them to be able to reach out to you. So we're going to do a button. We're going to call it Contact Me. And we're going to link it /contact me, just like that, /contact-me. That's going to take them to your contact page. So we're going to save that. And now you have your basics of your own bio page. You can go and put anything else you'd like in here. You can add in testimonials, you could add in a video, anything else you'd like to do. But I just want to show you how you can now set this up, and you can customize it. You don't have to send your bio in to be updated, anything like that. You have that all laid out here for you. And if you wanted that button to be in the middle, for example, it's very simple. Just go in here to Style, align it. It's now in the middle. You can change the coloring of it. You know, you can do anything that you would like with that. Just to show you, if you want to change the background color, change that to, I can change it to a blue. If you're going to do that, you'd want to make sure to change the font color to white so that it pops out. See, like that. Save it. So now we have a really nice button down here at the bottom that stands out from there. And that's pretty much it for getting your custom page started. Get creative. You can, I would recommend going and looking at other people's contact pages, about me pages, and see what they have. You don't have to use the wording, my story. You don't have to include your picture. You get to do whatever you want here, but this just shows you quickly how you can edit your own bio page. And then just to show you, once we are done, you want to go to done and then publish. Now you're going to go back to your admin home page. We're going to go back to site pages, and you're going to want to take this page and drag it underneath your about section. Okay, so you see I have my story here, but yours will populate down here at the bottom. And you're going to want to take that. Let's see if I can get it. I'm getting kind of stuck here with, move myself over here for you guys. Would take that and drag it up here under your about. So now I have two, but you should only have one my story there. We're going to scroll down to the bottom. We're going to publish that. And now when I refresh this page, and I go up here to the top for the about, now I have a my story test, the one we just created, and the my story one here. So you should just have one at that point. And there you should have your client testimonials and a contact me page. And that, to show you where that contact me button goes, let's click on this. Okay, so it's the page we just created. Got our blue button down here. You click on that. That takes them to a contact form, which they can reach out to you directly with a phone call, or they can fill out a little form that will be emailed to you with their details. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you guys next time.